Do you guys see that?
There's two right there, right there, right there.
Yeah, they're fighter jets. Shut up, Noah.
There's another one right there.
Freaking see it. Oh, and another one.
Dude, look at the jet. It was like so close to the ground. It was like it would be on the third floor.
Oh my gosh, I can't see them. Shit.
Look at it, over there, look.
Oh shit, that's close.
I know.
If I could only record it, I can't freaking see it on the camera. You see it? You see it? Yeah, I see it. It looks like they were crashing. They're doing something.
If you like the Broncos, like this video.
I don't like the Broncos, okay? So, yeah, we live in Colorado, just saying that now.
Yeah, but still.
USA.
If they like the Broncos, just like this video.
Yeah, and he means college football team, not Boise, Idaho. Which I vote Boise, Idaho. So, they keep on coming from up here, come all the way around.
Every time
and
it
then
only
they,
does 4.
See, wait, look. See the jet, and then it dips down and comes back up and goes around. There it is.
It's because the Air Force is close.
I know, but they usually like always fly near other places. And yeah, so it looked like the first one was about to crash, and so that's why I made this video. And yes, I didn't. I thought I was gonna catch a crash on camera, but nope. So yeah.